Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular SSDs in the market today. If you're in the market for a new SSD, keep watching to find out which one suits your needs better. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. When it comes to price, Kingston's A400 is definitely the more affordable option, with a price tag of only $16, making it a great value for those on a budget. Meanwhile, WD Blue SN570 costs around $50, so it's a bit pricier than the A400. However, it does come with a free 1-month Adobe Creative Cloud trial, which is a nice bonus if you're into photography or graphic design. Both drives perform really well in terms of speed, but WD Blue COVALENTS1 N570 has the edge in this category, with its impressive sequential read performance of 3,300 megabytes per second and sequential write performance of 1,200 megabytes per second. Kingston's A400 is also fast and offers fast startup times and fast file transfers, but it can't quite match the speed of the WD Blue SN570. When it comes to reliability, both drives offer remarkable features to help protect your data. But WD Blue SN570 has a slight edge with its slim M2 2280 form factor, making it compatible with PCIe and saving on space with a single-sided M2 2280 PCIe Gen 3x4 NVMe SSD. This means it can better withstand sudden impact or vibration while in use. And that's it for our comparison of Kingston's A400 and WD Blue SN570. Both SSDs have their own unique strengths, so ultimately it depends on your needs and preferences. We hope this video has been helpful in making your decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching.